Are you looking to get the most money for your home in the fastest amount of time? Well, Lisa, what do we do?
Oh, we need to call in a stager is what we need to do. We need to get your home ready so you'll get the maximum amount of views, the highest selling price in the shortest amount of time. Staging does all that.
I know, it's crazy. And you know what? You've told us about 3 things in the past that we should consider. Let's take a peek at them.
Let's do.
Hey there, this is Lisa with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty. And guess what? We're going to talk about staging your home today. Now, if you're thinking about listing, staging is something you're really going to want to consider. And I'm going to touch briefly on the 3 major things that we take into consideration when staging a home. And that is style, features, and cost. So Southwest Florida has its own style. It's generally transitional or coastal, and that's really what we get the best response for. Okay, so the next step we look at is feature, and we get the best feature of the house. And what do you think this is for this particular home? Look at this expansive water view, amazing pool and spa. So this is what we definitely want to highlight with this home. So we just determined that the best feature of this home is the outdoor space with the expansive water view, amazing pool. And so when you look at this room, the way it's currently set up, what are your eyes drawn to? I see a few accessories in the way of the beautiful outdoor area. So we would want to rework this room so that when you come in, you are drawn to the best feature of this home, which is the outdoor space. So regarding costs, how much should I spend? Well, there's always a cost benefit to this situation. And my best advice is to partner with your listing agent and a professional stager so they can assist you in making the wisest decisions for your property to get the highest return on investment possible. So that's it for this edition of Home Staging. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.
So Lisa, there was so much in your head that you know as a professional stager and some of the stagers that we hire here at the Bartos Group. But, you know, we have something else. It's called a Prepare to Sell booklet, which is really cool. And that gives somebody that doesn't want to step in quite right now that snack taste thing to do for staging their home, right?
Absolutely. You know, something hard copy that they can always look back and refer to is invaluable.
That's right. So if you want to get your copy of this amazing book, either electronically or in the mail, make sure you click on the link below, and we'd love to give that to you. As always, we here at the Bartos Group look forward to working with you and Lisa, to working with you and getting your house sold in the quickest time.
Let's do it.